Hello everyone, welcome once again to this online class. In the previous video, we discussed about the introduction of the topographical maps. Those who have not watched, please do watch. Then only we will be able to understand this video. In this video, we shall discuss about use of colors on topographical maps. This is the continuation of the first chapter, that is representation of geographical features. On the topographical map, the colors that is shown, each color will have its own significance, its own importance. And for preparation of this topographical map, these colors are used universally. That means the colors that is used for the preparation of topographical map is accepted universally. Man-made features and the natural features on the topographical maps are shown with the different colors. Let us see first of all, if the topographical map is shaded or color with yellow, what is the meaning of that? If the topographical map is shaded with yellow, the meaning is that the surface area or the land is cultivable area. It is the cultivable land, and it will represent about the plateaus, deserts and plains, where the people are settled, they do agricultural activities or farmings they are engaged with. The occupation of the people will be agriculture. If it is colored with green, you would understand that the area is covered with forest, vegetation's area. There is a lowland areas. So green color will represent or mean forest area. Then there is another color, white. The white patches will be drawn on the topographical map randomly, and these white patches will be telling about the rocky area or badland area, where the rocks are present, boulders are present. Hence, that region, that area is not cultivable. It is uncultivable land. The farming is not possible or agriculture is not possible. Due to that, it is shaded with white color. Then we have another important color is blue. You know, blue is shown on the map to represent water bodies. So in the dry streams or in the rivers, in the ponds, lakes, wherever water is present, perennial wells, unlined wells, lined wells. So where the water is present, it will be shown with the blue color, which means water is there. So remember this color's importance. And there is another color, is that brown color. So brown chalk was not there, so I have adjusted with another chalk. So don't be confused with that. Just see the textbook and understand the brown color. Brown color will be shown or drawn about the contour lines. It's very, very important. The physical features where the hills are there, mountains are there, height of that region will be shown with contour lines, and their numbers, the height of the place, their numbers will be also written in brown color. There will be plenty of numbers, but it will be given in different colors. Black color will be, the meaning is different, and brown will be of contour lines, and red will be of different meaning is there, right? So remember that the contour lines which are showing the height of the relief features or mountains is shown with the contour lines, as well as their heights, contour intervals will be shown with the brown color. We have another color, that is black color. Black color where the water bodies are not there. That means it is dry streams and surveyed tree. The tree's symbol will be drawn over there, followed by the number of that. That means the tree is surveyed by the government. So it will be written in the black number. So clear? Now there is another color, that is red color. Red color, all the permanent huts, settlements, cities, villages, roads will be shown in red color. Settlements in the sense the red boxes that is shown on the topographical map. The red boxes that is shown on the topographical map, the areas where people are settled, the cities, villages, or the place where people are settled. So these are the few important colors that play a major role to understand the topographical map. Learn this, draw on your notebooks and maintain the notes. Thank you for watching this video so patiently. Any doubt, any queries are there, please do ask personally in WhatsApp. Thank you. God bless you.